Oh my god, I can't fly, even though I'm a bird. I think I'm a little bit too fat. Oh, hey there, Joe. Is there anything wrong? Well, I don't know how to fly, even though I'm a bird. Maybe we could, teach you, right? Right? Isn't that right, Scar? What? What do you mean you're not paying attention? You get out. You keep falling down. Oh, Foreman, I'm sorry. I just ate bean soups for dinners. And then you're gonna... Okay, well, I don't know what to, help you. I don't know how to fly. Can any of you guys have any ideas? Oh, yeah, we do. Well, should we get started? Yeah, let's get started. Let's go. Oh, wait for me, homeboys. Yeah. Okay, Joe, we are here. But this is the same place. Oh, yeah, but I don't know where to go. So try practicing flying all over here. Try to, okay? But how does that happen to show me how to fly? We'll just try. Scar's gonna catch you. Go. Okay. Wait, what? Oh man, that hurt. Well, that was a bad idea. Yeah, it was, but I have the perfect plan. What is it? I think you should try again. Okay. No. Oh, you did it, fool? Yeah, you did. So, is it okay, fool? Should we smell his butt? Smells like eggs. Anyway, fool, I'm a yeet out of here. Yeet. Oh, me too. Yeet. Also, Scar, can you yeet him too? I'm gonna yeet myself again. Yeet. Oh.